Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is Vande Bharat train. Recently, on the occasion of 75th Independence Day celebrations, PM of India announced that 75 Vande Bharat trains will be operated to connect different parts of the country. With this, the Indian Railways aims to roll out 102 Vande Bharat trains by March 2024. Ministry of Railways has floated tenders for the manufacture of 58 trains, each with 16 coaches. The train 18, later named Vande Bharat Express, was rolled out by the Integral Coach Factory Chennai. It is India's first semi-high-speed train with an operational efficiency of 160 km per hour. On the compliance of the public procurement preference to make in India, Railways will procure spare parts from Indian suppliers only. The first indigenous train of Indian Railways, Vande Bharat Express, was dedicated to the nation by the Prime Minister on February 15, 2019. Also, it started its first commercial operation on 17 February 2019 on New Delhi to Varanasi route. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.